Hello and welcome to this special event, a surprise for each one of you out there. When I, Sandeep Bogra, a life and relationship coach, speaker, and author, is going to reveal to you a magical journey and inspiration, a journey of a strong woman by a strong woman. Yes, my dear friends, I'm super excited to welcome each one of you out here today because we are going to raise the curtains, reveal something very exciting, something very inspirational for each one of you out there. And I'm super excited to welcome my guest, a wonderful person, deep from her soul, author Ravinder Kaur, who's been an amazing mother to two lovely daughters. She's also given birth to two amazing books, who's already been a bestseller on Amazon. And today, we are going to let her unreveal something very exciting she's created for every female out there. Well, I'm not going to take much time and welcome her on board. Welcome, author Ravinder ji. So glad, so proud to have you here with us.
Hello, Sandeep. Thank you so much for launching my third book. Oh, and I am very much excited to talk with you, Sandeep, India's best relationship coach, who is launching my third book. So today I am very proud to tell you that today I am not the mother of two lovely daughters. Even I must say that I am the mother of 5 kids because
Exactly.
2 are the lovely daughters and 3 are my books, my assets.
Indeed.
So yes.
And I'm sure you're going to, create a legacy for everyone now and in future when people are going to be inspired, learn a lot, and guided by the wonderful, amazing creations which you've gifted to this world out there. And there's lots more to talk about everything else around today. But let us first have our entire audience the privilege, the opportunity, and this lifetime moment to see your third book, Quit Like a Strong Woman. So why don't you show it to us and let's bring it up. Awesome. So finally, officially, and thankfully with God's grace and your efforts, Miss Ravinder Kaur is proudly launching her third book online today. And it's already available on Amazon. I've been privileged to be a part of this book by providing my foreword. And of course, I was glad to receive first author signed copy already, read through it, share my views, my comments, and trust me, if you have this book in your hand right now, you're one of the luckiest persons on this planet Earth. So Ravinder ji, tell us something about this book.
Sandeep, first of all, I must tell you that this is my first fiction one because earlier I have published the 2 books that are the non-fiction one, Live Life as Your Last Inning and The Positive Alphabets of Life. And now I came with the third book. So this is my first fiction book. This is just a sweet dramatic story. That is, its story revolves around one protagonist. Her name is, she is a strong woman of the novel, and that is my favorite character, Shalini.
So tell us something more about Shalini. How did this come to your mind? Where did you get this idea and inspiration from about writing this book about Shalini?
Shalini is a very strong woman. She has faced so many challenges in the life. Even we must say that life is full of challenges. So we all women have something special in our life, and we all are very strong enough to face the challenges of the life, and we all are the strong ones. So I think we must read these books to check how she is facing the challenges, how she is taking the decisions to keep herself right at every time when she faced any challenge. Yeah.
Amazing. And Quit Like a Strong Woman, the title itself is so intriguing. There are a million questions, popping up in my mind and everyone else's mind who's watching us live right now. And we must be grateful to all the ones who are watching us live because this is a special moment indeed, not just for you, author Ravinder ji, but for me as well to proudly launch your book online today after already being a successful best-selling author on Amazon. And Quit Like a Strong Woman, makes us think about different possibilities, different challenges, different ways this fictional character Shalini in your book might
Yes.
have traversed through. She must have felt different feelings, emotions throughout her phase, as you have highlighted this in your book. Now, I'm not going to reveal the entire story while I'm already the lucky one to read through and share my forward and, of course, my feedback on Amazon. But I would still like to ask you, what was the inspiration behind writing this book? What particular thought came to your mind that you thought this time, let me write something fictional and pick up Shalini as a character, a strong woman in your journey, in your story?
Actually, Sandeep, when I wrote the two books, the first and second one, that were the non-fiction. So there, I want to share my ideas about the life and how we should live our life. So once I was going through, then I thought, why not I start writing the third one in the fiction? Why not to create characters in my mind? And you won't imagine that when I was writing, then everything behind the scenes, once as I was writing the book, there was the scene going on in my mind, what should come next, what should I write. And when I wrote the book in my first draft, then the story was just 30%, but when I was editing, the whole 100% came as a unique product. And it was a unique unique experience for me, as the editing was a wonderful piece of life.
So I know as an author, in fact, you know me, I've also been a best-selling author for a couple of books, and I understand this entire journey. But for the ones who are, watching us live right now and who will pay attention to all the gold nuggets you are sharing in your book and in our live interview right now, later when they see us on Facebook, what is it something you would like as a message to give out there to the people who have millions of ideas in their mind, but they just keep hidden under the surface?
Sandeep, I must say the life is full of challenges. So challenges as well as the decisions. Every day we take the decisions, and that will be uniquely different from day after tomorrow or from the past. Every day we come through the lots of challenges. What we are going to do as we today when we wake up, then we start preparing our to-do list. What we will do in the morning hours, what will do in the afternoon hours, and then we plan the life as it's coming on the way. So we must plan all everything in such a way that every decision should be the right decision. And what
Wow.
is I am depicting in this book, that quit like a strong woman. If you are taking anything seriously or anything right, then please stay still and stay strong on that decision.
Awesome. And as I know you personally as a strong woman, a woman of character and strength, and who's been a role model not just to her two lovely daughters, but as I quoted in the start, and you gladly accept that you're a mother of five, two wonderful daughters, and three amazing books. So let's take this discussion to the next level. Let me ask you something about your favorite character in this book.
It's Shalini, of course. She is my best character, and she is the strong woman of my novel and my fiction character.
So, well, that means you're a symbol of women empowerment, how females should take up their stand, how they should safeguard at the door of their heart, mind, and soul, and protect themselves and shine out like a warrior in this ruthless world, as they say. What do you have to
Yes.
say about it?
Yes, women is the symbol of a courage, peace, as well as the right decisions. So that's the point. That's why I must say that Shalini is the protagonist of my novel, and all the story revolves around his life, her life, and life decisions.
Life and life decisions. Well, I feel and I believe that is the essence of your novel, the book Quit Like a Strong Woman, that you need to take your decisions yourself, you need to stay strong and stay firm about your decisions,
Yes.
and you need to live up with its results, positive or negative, whatever it comes, because it's your life, your decision. And that reminds me about your two other amazing books. The first one was
Yeah.
Live Life as Your Last
And
Innings, right?
yes.
Tell us something about that book as well.
Sandeep, that book was written just to inspire the people to move ahead in the to the higher level, and that book is just like I am just saying in that book that life is a beautiful journey to take the steps, small steps at the right time, at the and to live happily. That is also the like taking decisions, because life is all about taking decisions. If we are taking the right decision at the right time, then the life is a wonderful. And I must say, live life as your
As your
last
last
inning, live life as a king size.
Wow, awesome. Well, and as you say, we must take our decisions rightfully with a strong sense of responsibility, and we need to live by it. Because the idea is you get life just once, and you need to
Yeah,
live it as your last innings and
last
live
inning.
life king size. Wow, that
Yeah.
reminds me of your another book, Positive Alphabets of Life. Throw some light on
Yeah,
that.
Sandeep, positive alphabets of life is a totally different concept. It's not, I must say, it's a combination of both fictional as well as the non-fictional. The non-fictional is these are 26 alphabets of English language, that is A to Z. And I must say that this book is all about the A to Z, and I have added one story to each alphabet. A for attitude, and the story is related to the attitude, how attitude impacts on the everybody's life. So this book is all about how to change your life, how to change your perspective to view at the things. That's all about the positive alphabets of life.
Brilliant, brilliant. And what makes me feel so about your book, Positive Alphabets of Life, it's like, in the nursery classes, like we have alphabet uh, books for kids. So we should have the positive alphabets of life for youngsters, adults, and, you know, everyone in their own
For everyone.
age, in their own challenges of life, because this is going to definitely inspire. And I'm sure already you have touched a lot of people, their heart, mind, and soul with these two amazing books. And the third one, which we have proudly launched today, Quit Like a Strong Woman, which is, by the way, now already available in Kindle and paperback on Amazon. I'm already the lucky one to grab it on both formats. And I
Thank
encourage
you for
each one
that.
of you out there to go ahead and get your book today itself. The beauty is that I guess you've already given a wonderful festival discount, as the launch price of the book is just 149, while the usual price, what you were sharing with me, is going to be 499, right?
Yeah.
So that's a killer, that's a stellar deal. And there's no better time than now to go ahead and get your book, Quit Life as a Strong Woman. And all of you wonderful audience out there, you might wonder, this book is going to just help a female who's probably facing some challenges that she needs to quit them. But after reading this book, what I personally feel, that this book is going to be an inspiration, not just for a male or a female, but for the person inside you to deal with your life, handle your challenges more effectively, plan your outcomes, take informed, calculative decisions, and stand by them. And eventually
Yeah.
make life as your last king size.
Okay. Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong, author Ravinder Kaur.
No, you are absolutely right. Because you are the India's best life and relationship coach. So how you could be wrong?
Well, with God's grace and support of wonderful people around like you, I accept and humbly express my gratitude for having received those accolades by the industry. But what I feel, besides all the achievements, what is really important for us is to be true to ourselves, be the best version of ourselves every new day. Stop comparing ourselves with anybody outside, and just going by the positive alphabets of life. Coming back to you again, it's your day, it's your show. Nothing about me. While I'm privileged to be a part of your book, presenting my forward out there, and I feel glad and blessed to do so, because the way you've taken up this challenge, this idea, this concept of presenting female as a strong version of themselves, which they unfortunately miss to see, and you're helping them revive their thoughts and help them conceptualize their own journey in a new, different way. So, is there something more about this book you would like to reveal, or you would definitely invite everyone to grab it from Amazon in Kindle or paperback version and go ahead and find out what this amazing book has to share? Your
Definitely. I must say that you all should grab the book from the Amazon, Flipkart, or the Notion Press. This book is all about the life and the life decisions that the Shalini make in her life. So I'm not going to disclose any or more, otherwise the curiosity will be over. So life was not never smooth for her. So as we all have the different phases of the life, so she was facing the same situation. So I think you must grab your copy and must read what I have mentioned in that.
And for all the lovely audience out there, let me tell you something. The title itself, Quit Like a Strong Woman, is so intriguing that you will think what exactly happened. But when you read through it, every new page, every new chapter is like peeling the layers of an onion. There's something new, something different inside. It's like a cabbage you are going to unfurl, like a rose flower, different petals, different fragrances, and it's just so amazing that even as a male, when I read through that book, I had tears in my eyes. And that really made me so attached to it that I feel honored and privileged to join this special online book launch event for our wonderful author Ravinder Kaurji today, because she's going to bless you and everyone around with her amazing books, which is going to touch and transform millions of lives all around. So, with this, I believe we are towards the end of this live event. But as they say, the show must go on. And the show will go on when you and I and everyone outside go ahead, grab this book today, get inspired, motivated, and help others to live a life full of purpose and meaning. Because that is what ultimately we are here for. And that is what our author Ravinder Kaurji has showcased through her book, Live Life as Your Last Inning, Positive Alphabets of Life, and to help you guys further to make informed choices and decisions, the latest book. And let's have a look at the book cover again today. It's Quit Like a Strong Woman. So more power to you, author Ravinder Kaurji. Thank you so much for bringing your knowledge, your insights, your experiences in this amazing book. And I'm sure it's going to help everyone out there.
Thank you. Yes, definitely it will help all.
So with this, guys, we'll take your leave, and we are not going to end it here. Tomorrow there is going to be something super special. I'm coming out live. So I would request each one of you to join me on my page. And of course, I'm sure you're already following author Ravinder Kaurji, because there's lots more coming your way this festive season, this Deepavali. And with this, we wish you a very happy Deepavali. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.